The lockdown helped marketers get more creative than ever. You're watching NetHunt, Gmail CRM, and email marketing experts. Today we're looking at the most memorable email marketing campaigns of 2020. By the end of this video, you'll have seen email marketing best practices in 2020 and what we can learn from them. AirBnb, weapon of choice, personalization, drip marketing. Hospitality was one of the industries most affected by the coronavirus. Only thanks to Airbnb's genuine interest in their clients' customer journey, they have managed to maintain competitive advantage. Specifically, they use drip campaigns and built-in feedback forms, the latter of which provides an interactive element to increase engagement and honest customer feedback. And win-win! Look here, Airbnb's email offers are obviously tailored to fit specific needs. Based on search filter data such as budget, destination, and the number of people staying, they compile a list of the most exciting, relevant options for wannabe holidaymakers. On top of that, to make sure everyone finishes their purchase, Airbnb sends out cart abandonment and upselling emails once an initial purchase has been made. Boxycharm, maximum engagement. Weapon of choice, pointers. Boxycharm needed a way to increase engagement with their typically long emails. They cover several products in detail, which can easily be reason enough to skip. So, they use visual cues to guide subscribers to the most important parts. Animated arrows lead to the hottest offers and surprises, hopefully invoking curiosity in readers, nudging them towards the rest of the copy. We think you don't necessarily need to overload your emails with colorful arrows. Instead, tease readers with a limited time exclusive offer available only to those who get till the end of the email. John Buchan's Charm Offensive. Weapon of choice, loves. Charm Offensive's secret is humor when composing copy to encourage engagement and sharing. John Buchan is the joker behind this email. Funny, right? When was the last time when you received an email with an evil laugh in the subject line? It's original, witty, and memorable. It jokingly reminds me of what's up for grabs if I win the competition with a subtle CTA to join the Facebook group and get more involved. Charity, water. Weapon of choice, taking transactional emails further. Instead of outright telling people to donate, Charity Water based their drip email marketing campaign around the journey an individual's donation makes after being received by the charity. Every now and then, participants receive an email with an update with regards to how their donation has helped. Subscribers don't need to spend too much time trying to understand what's going on. All the information is presented in the project timeline alongside a table that shows progress. Poncho. Weapon of choice, short and sweet, interactive elements. An email marketing campaign doesn't necessarily have to be some grandiose, intricate effort. Poncho's campaign is proof that the simplest idea can generate top ROI. It consists of daily custom weather forecast emails. That's it. Sounds simple, but the execution is what makes it. Poncho uses animations, GIFs, puns, and colorful images, all of which aligns perfectly with their brand persona. Email monks. Weapon of choice, email marketing gamification. We're all kids at heart. A lot of marketers have recognized this. No matter what age, we love playing games. Email monks have built an entire campaign around this love. A highly engaging series of emails lined up with the mailing list of email monks and attracted new subscribers to it. Growthhackers, a social perspective. Weapon of choice, social awareness. Good friends of NetHunt, Growthhackers managed to stand out among the rebel of dozens of other email campaigns talking about the Oscars. How? The 91st Academy Awards ceremony broke the record for female and African American awardees, so Growthhackers created an email marketing campaign dedicated to diversity. Not only that was a respectful nod to social movements that helped spread the message, it was also a burst of inspirational content for subscribers who don't follow the Oscars but share these values. Get creative, keep it high quality, and set your own trends. Maybe you saw an outstanding email marketing campaigns of 2020 that we didn't mention today. Let us know in the comments below. like, comment, subscribe, and head to community.nethunt.com to join our beautiful community if you haven't already. For more email marketing tips and content, check out our next playlist. NetHunt over and out!